Welcome to English for All with Khadija USA, learning step by step at your own pace.
Kids Box 4, Unit 4, Lesson 18, After School Club.
Welcome to Kids Box 4, designed for 4th grade level. Open up to Pupils Book, Unit 4, After School Club, Activity Book, page 42. English Literature, Poems, Plays, and Novels. The biggest book in the world is an atlas in the British Museum. It's 1.8 meter high. That is very big. Section 1. Read and match. There are lots of different kinds of literature. What do you like reading? Number 1. Poems. The Owl and the Pussycat is a children's poem by Edward Lear. The owl and the pussycat went to sea in a beautiful pea-green boat. They took some honey and plenty of money wrapped up in a 5-pound note. Number 2. Plays. We go to a theater to see plays. Peter Pan by J.M. Barrie is a famous children's play about the adventures of Peter Pan, Wendy, and her brothers John and Michael. They learn to fly and go to the island of Neverland, where they fight Captain Hook and his pirates. Number 3. Novels. C.S. Lewis is the author of The Chronicles of Narnia. There are 7 books in the Chronicles of Narnia. The first is The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. It is about the adventures of the Pevensie children in the country of Narnia. So now go ahead and look at each of the pictures above, A, B, or C. Which one is poems? If your answer is C, excellent job. Number 2, which one are plays? If your answer is A, nicely done. Number 3, novels. If your answer is B, excellent job. Section 2. Answer the questions. What color was the owl and the pussycat's boat? If you answer pea green, nicely done. Number 2. Where does Peter Pan fight Captain Hook? If your answer is on the island of Neverland, excellent. Number 3. How many books are there in the Chronicles of Narnia? If you answer 7, excellent job. Pupil Book, page 43. Section 3. Read and order the text, The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. Number 1 is given as an example. 1 is letter D. 4 children went to stay in a big house in the country. Their names were Peter, Susan, Edmund, and Lucy. One day it was very rainy outside, so they played inside. It was boring, but the house had a lot of rooms to look in. So that is a paragraph number 1. What is the next step that you have? So go ahead, take some time, pause the video, and complete the section. What is next? There are 4 paragraphs, so there are 4 answers. So label which one is first, which one's second, which one's third, and which one is fourth. So go ahead, pause the video, and resume after you have completed section 3 for your corrections. Corrections, section 3. We know number 1 is D. Number 2 is A. One of the rooms had nothing inside it except a big old cupboard for clothes, a wardrobe. Lucy went inside and she saw a lot of coats. She walked to the back of the wardrobe. Now number 3 is C. Then there was snow on the ground and trees touched her face. Lucy was cold. She was in a forest at night. Now number 4 is B. Lucy went back to Narnia with the other children. They helped the king, a lion, to make Narnia a happy place. Later, Peter, Susan, Edmund, and Lucy were kings and queens of Narnia. So now, go ahead and do our project. Make a My Favorite Book poster. I look forward to seeing your posters. For example, look at the boy in the picture. He has given you a very good example. My favorite book is called, tell me what your favorite book is. Then the author's name is what? The author is the one who wrote the book. Then the story is about, tell me what the story is about. The characters are called, name your characters here. For example, above, in the book above, the characters are the lion, then Peter, Susan, and Edmund, and Lucy. Those are the characters. So list the characters that are in your book, your favorite book. Then, I like it because tell me why you like your book.
We're the Stevenage Lytton Youth Theatre and we're rehearsing for our play.
These children are rehearsing for a play. They are actors.
Pull, pulling, bite, biting, fix, fixing, spin, spinning. The fattest, the pinkest.
To act in the play, each of them has to pretend to be a character. They're learning the words they need to say and the actions they have to do. They are practicing their lines and actions with the other children who have parts in the play.
Hello, I'm Abigail and I'm playing the part of the earthworm. Hello, my name's Caitlin. I'm playing the part of the centipede.
Hello, my name's Alex and I'm playing the part of Mr. Trotter.
The children are going to perform the play in front of an audience. Everything has to be ready for their first performance. There is a lot of work to be done. Look at the director. He is teaching the children how to act. They are going to wear costumes. This is the costume designer. She is making the children's costumes. When the children are ready, they are going to stand on this stage and perform the play to an audience. This is where the audience sit. We use lights to help the audience see the play. These can be any colour. Big theatres use many lights all around the stage. This man controls the lights. He is a lighting engineer. Let's go backstage. Backstage is where the actors wait to go onto the stage. Sometimes they have to carry things to help them play the part. These are called props. When actors go on stage, they have to wear makeup. This is where they put on their makeup. The Lytton Youth Theatre is still rehearsing their play.
We're really looking forward to our play.
Activity book, page 42. English literature. Poems, plays, and novels. Section 1. Read and think. Write play, poem, or novels. Number 1 is done as an example. Section 2. Choose your poem. So go ahead and choose what you want to choose in each box to make a complete poem. Activity book, page 43, section 3. Listen and tick the box. There is one example given.
Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Please don't forget to tick subscribe, like, and hit the golden bell for more videos. See you in the next video.